Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video we shall learn how to balance redox reactions in acidic medium. So there are 5 steps you need to learn to balance the redox reactions in acidic medium. So the step 1 is we need to divide the whole equation into 2 half reactions. 2 half reaction means the first reaction is a reduction and the second is an oxidation. And after dividing, the step 2 you need to do is we need to balance the electrons and the atoms on either side. And the step 3 is for every extra oxygen we need to add water to the opposite side. And the step 4 is for every extra hydrogen add an H plus ion to the opposite side. And the step 5 is after finishing all the balancing of an electrons and atoms, we need to add the both of the half reactions. If everything is done, you need to add both of the half reactions and you'll get the final equation. So before adding, you need to balance the electrons in the 2 reactions. Whether it is right or not, you need to recheck, and if there is any cancellation of electrons, you need to get cancel it. Okay. The first example we shall see it, that is MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus H plus gives rise to Mn2 plus Fe3 plus H2O. So before dividing the equation into 2, we need to know which is undergoing the oxidation and which is undergoing the reduction. In order to know that, we need to know the basic part, that is oxidation number. I think it is a very basic part. Before coming to this topic, we need to learn those topic, right? How do you find the oxidation number? Means, for example, MnO4 minus. If you want to know the oxidation number of Mn, means X minus 4 into 2 equals minus 1. That is X minus 8 is equal to minus 1, X is equal to plus 7 you will get. So the oxidation number of MnO4 minus, that is Mn, is plus 7. And Fe2 plus is plus 2 and Mn2 plus is plus 2 and Fe3 plus is plus 3. And we know that how the oxidation and reduction can be predicted, and we are familiar, like if there is a change in number from big to small, it is undergoing an reduction. If it is a change from small to big, it is an oxidation. See, from plus 7 to plus 2, it is reduction. And from Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, it is an oxidation. Right. Now, after finding out this, we need to just divide. Now we are dividing and we are just writing down here. The first step is, we need to just write it down. MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus. So we know that there is an 5 electrons. So 7 minus 2, if you do, you'll get a 5 electrons. So you need to write plus 5 electrons here. Plus 5 electrons. And after that, what I told you, the step 3 is you need to balance the oxygen on the opposite side. If there is an extra oxygen, we need to balance the water on the either side, on the opposite side. MnO4 minus and in the step 3, we know that if there is an extra oxygen in the left side, we need to balance the water on the opposite side. Means if there is an extra oxygen in the left side, means we need to add an water on the either side. We shall just do it that. MnO4, there is a 4 oxygen atoms, right? We need to add the 4 water molecules on the either side. That is Mn2 plus 4H2O. After the step 3, we know that the step 4 is for every extra hydrogen we need to add the H plus ions on the opposite side. If the H2O 8 hydrogen atoms are there in the right side, we need to add 8 H plus ions on the left side. We shall just write that equation. MnO4 minus plus 5E minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn2 plus 4H2O. Right. Let us keep it as a equation 1. And now this is a reduction equation we have already written. We shall just write the oxidation equation also. That is Fe2 plus gives rise to Fe3 plus. So there is only 1 electrons. We shall just write 1e minus. So after I have already told you in the step 5, before adding the both the equation, that is equation number 1 and equation 2, you need to see if there is a possibility of cancelling any of the equation. You need to just cancel it, and if there is a possibility of balancing any of the electrons, we need to. The main thing is we need to just balance the electrons, and we need to see if there is a possibility of cancelling the electrons. We shall just see. Here in the equation 1, there are 5 electrons. There is a 5 electrons. In order to balance in the second equation, there is only 1 electron. There is only 1 electrons. Right. In order to balance and in order to cancel those, we need to just we need to multiply this whole equation by 5. Multiply by 5. Right. Now we shall just multiply by 5. That is, you will get 5Fe2 plus gives rise to 5Fe3 plus 5 electrons. Right. Now we shall just write the final equation. Now there is a possibility of cancelling, right? 5 electrons and here 5 electrons, and there is no other possibility. And yes, we have already checked there isn't any possibility of balancing, and now we shall just write the final equation. Yes, MnO4 minus plus 5Fe2 plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn2 plus 5Fe3 plus 4H2O. So this is a final balanced redox equation in acidic medium. So I hope you completely understood this concept, that is how to balance a redox reaction in acidic medium, and you can just cross check in any other method you know and just cross check this answer. This answer is right. I hope you completely understood my video. If you completely like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.